I don't know if it's ever occurred to you that on the level of our physical body, we are nature, that our bodies actually are nature. Have you thought about that? So, the fact that you breathe in and breathe out, that's a universal natural process, right? You can't make that stuff up, can you? You can't kind of create the breath and then, maybe we can control breath to some extent, but when you're sleeping, you're breathing, right? If you were to go into a coma, you would still breathe. So on that level, volition is not required. It's just a natural thing. So in fact, for you to breathe in, the trees have to breathe out, literally, right? There's an exchange happening. And, we could not be more connected than we already are. So how is it that we perceive this disconnection? How is it that we feel that we are not part of nature? And the only thing that gets in the way is our minds, right? If the body is already here, it's already nature. There's metabolic processes happening that are universal. All the elements that your body is made up of is the same that everything else in the nature is made up of. We're intricately part of this planet and of our ecosystem and environment. But it's our minds, isn't it? Our minds kind of hijack us and make us feel separate. Do you find that's your experience, or have you thought about that?